Yeah, Muralidharan. Muralidharan.
This will be like you remember Avni incident? This will be like another Avni. After a few weeks, people will forget about it. Nobody will remember, and they need another knock on their head probably 1 year after that. It's not about Malappuram or whether it's Palakkad. This is a planned way of killing, wild elephants. These are done by the people who encroach, and the governments are responsible. The allocation of the buffer zone or the forest area for industrialization is given by State Wildlife Board. That is there in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and wherever there are elephants. These boards decide who should take which land, and after that, they will manipulate papers to give patta for them, which is legally not right. Post that, when they want to expand, then they realize they're sitting in an elephant habitat or a corridor, and when they want to expand, they start killing elephant. I want example, I'll give you in Tamil Nadu, Tadagam. It was a brick lane, 4,000 bricks they're taking out. That's an elephant habitat. Every month they kill one elephant, even they remove tusks. This is nothing new. But the sad part is, Arnab, we are not pulled out this elephant from water, and we are waiting for it to die. This is the case everywhere across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. The forest department is not geared up to serve them. We have seen videos in Nat Geo, people going with guns, tranquilizing elephants, treating them within that short period, probably 15-20 minutes, and getting out of the space, because within that period they have to do. So
1 minute.
10-15 doctors one elephant. We don't have that here.
In a state called elephant country, please explain this to me. Are you trying to tell me, Muralidharan, wait a minute, Rahul, viewers, are you trying to tell me this is an isolated incident? It's not. There is an industry, as far as I know, of killing elephants. Now the fact is,
yes,
the moment we ask who is killing the elephants, then there is pin drop silence. I want to know why Sonal Mansingh is on the debate. The moment we ask, so we'll all outrage about the killing of the elephant, but the incredible thing is, Sonal Mansingh, that the moment you get into who are killing the elephants, but where is the industry? But how is a fruit laden with explosives used in the first place? How is it permissible for a fruit stuffed with explosives to be strewn around in the forest area so that the elephants consume it and die in those horrendous circumstances? The moment we ask these questions, we are told, oh, don't go there. Why shouldn't we? My question is, when we ask, is there an organized production of the explosives, we are told, oh, don't go there. Why not? Why not? You tell me why not.
They will say it's for the wild boars. These traps are kept for wild boars.
Then they'll say it's not for the elephants, it's for the wild boars.
See, normally it's only the baby elephants who smell these and eat them because they don't get the smell.
The elderly
elephants do not touch it.
Then the question is,
how this elderly elephant...
I want to know, therefore, that why is nobody following it up?